Aligning options in Canvas Workspace Tablet Edition is fairly simple. You just need to keep in mind that all of the alignment options are in the Edit menu. Let me show you what I mean. First, I will select these three circles, and basically I want to align them along the horizontal center. So I would go down to my menu panel, that's this icon with the three horizontal bars, tap on it, and then tap on Edit. Now we can see all of the alignment options in the middle of that panel. So to align the objects along the horizontal center, I would come over to this icon, tap on it, and that then aligns the objects. Bear in mind that in the tablet edition there are no distribution options for equally spacing objects out. If you do want that feature, please do take a look at the installed version of Canvas Workspace, where you would use it on your computer or laptop. As a very simple example of the use of alignment, I have a sentiment and a sentiment panel that I'm going to cut out and draw here, and I would like the word birthday to feature in the center of that panel. So I go into the Edit menu and align it horizontally first, and then with both objects still selected, I align it vertically, and you can see there now that I have the word aligned perfectly centrally on that rectangle. How you would use the alignment features and when you would use them will come down to the project that you are creating, but that's how simple it is to do.